today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, today I have something crazy to share with you. I was actually planning to make a video about altcoins, what altcoins I'm looking at right now, what altcoins I want to buy. I'm gonna have to do that in the next video because the Bitcoin chart is right now printing something which I think it's absolutely mind-blowing, and I have to talk with you about that before it's too late. It's Monday. It's the perfect time to talk about that. Let's get straight into it. And yes, if you appreciate these kind of videos, always like, comment, subscribe. I will talk about my trade in that video. Is it still open or not? Am I going to take profits? What are my price targets and much, much more? Let's talk about that right now. Without any further ado, I want to go straight into the content. And dear ladies and gentlemen, I need to see the likes on that video. YouTube is getting more and more competitive, and I want to keep the spot with you, not only as the channel with the highest profit trade on whole YouTube, no, also the most Bitcoin views on whole YouTube. I want to keep that. So like, comment, subscribe, make noise. If you comment your favorite altcoin, and definitely give this video a small little like. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So what we are seeing here is, and this is the daily candles, quickly zooming into the 4-hourly candles, you can see that we are pretty much having enough touch points to say, hey, maybe we are printing a beautiful, beautiful bull flag here, right? Where we are having a very long pole and then this bull flag and then potentially a break towards the upside coming. Let's talk about the price target. And you all know how bull flags are usually measured in terms of price targets. Let me go back here to the daily candles, and let's start with the conservative one, and I want to put you a little bit of reasoning behind. I'm not saying necessarily we are going to break out 100%, but I want to tell you exactly how we can determine, yes, now we have a confirmed breakout and now the following price target is coming into place. So before I share the price target with you, dear ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk, of course, also about my trade. Most people here are actually asking, Chris, what is happening? Why are you still in this freaking trade? You can see here my Bitcoin trade being 90 Bitcoin in a profit, the Ethereum trade being 230 Ethereum in a profit, which is quite crazy. Yes, the Bitcoin trade $4.6 million, Ethereum trade $700,000. So overall, we are talking about $5.3 million in both of these trades combined. Yes, I am going to take profits very soon. When? Well, before the halving, which is, I think, coming up somewhere around in April. Before that time, I am certainly going to take my first profits. Now let's talk about the price target. And in this bull flag, we still have more room to the downside, of course. You can see Bitcoin can go all the way down to 50,000, wick below, no problem at all. Easily, even 49. Like if it's a wick, that is easily possible. However, if we are, and only then, guys, because this is it, when we are having a pattern like here, we need a confirmed breakout, right, to legitimize the pattern and to trade it and to actually talk about the price target, which here you can see it, it's quite crazy. 63,000 US dollars just before the previous first all-time high we had in April 2021. Then Bitcoin went lower and went higher to another all-time high. And this is exactly where also the a little bit less conservative price target, make a mental screenshot, comes into place. For me personally, I like the conservative one where we are starting the flag all the way here at 42,000. Some people would start it all the way at the start of this run here, all the way down there. And if you are pulling it higher, then you can see we are having a price target of 69,000, which is also just below the previous real all-time high we had then later in the year of 2021. So do I think we are going to break higher and reach these price targets within February? No. What I want to tell you is I think it's possible that we are reaching the Bitcoin all-time high or something close to it before the halving 2024. Before April, when the halving is going to take place. I think this is an achievable and possible price target in accordance to the charts. And of course, if you are zooming out, let me quickly go back here to the weekly candles, because this is something we need to understand. you can see that never ever Bitcoin reached anything close to the all-time high before the halving. You can see that here in 2012, we had a price level like 70% lower at the halving of the previous all-time high. Then 2016, we reached like 700. The all-time high was 1,300, well below. Then in 2020, and you will see there is a trend. We are coming closer and closer. We reached 10,000, 50% below the previous all-time high. And now with 50,000, we are already 25% below. So we are getting dangerously close to the previous all-time high. That is what I'm saying. We are getting closer and closer. And yes, it's possible to reach something close to the all-time high before the halving in April 2020. This is why I'm still in my trade. This is why I'm eyeing these different price targets I'm actually talking about. And yes, of course, if you want to be trading as well, I will leave a link down below in the pinned comment in the video description. Click register deposit if you want to be trading as well. Dear ladies and gentlemen, that was it for today. Short but fruitful, very important and precise. I want to know if you want more of these videos. Of course, let me know down below. Give me some feedback with your likes, with your shares. I would truly appreciate it. I will go into the YouTube analytics and I see all of your engagement. And of course, certainly it helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.